Location, location, location. Have you ever dreamed of having a Riverside Drive address, but never thought you could afford it? Well, guess what? You can. Come see this well laid out 2-bed, 1.5 bath. We all know how important that extra half bath is. Directly across the street from breathtaking Riverside Park, with playgrounds, a dog run, walking paths, and views of the Hudson River aplenty. As for your apartment, the thoughtful layout welcomes with an entry hallway giving you the space to hang up your coat, take off your shoes, and leave your worries behind. The large foyer allows for a home office setup or bar area. Plenty of wall space to display your art or other treasures, and the perfectly placed half bath. A fully renovated open kitchen designed to maximize light and space is to your right. A complete suite of LG appliances, lots of counter space, and ample seating makes this area perfect to gather for breakfast or cook dinner. Past the living area and down a separate hallway, you'll find a bedroom and 2 full closets, a full bath, and the primary bedroom, all pin drop quiet. Lovely hardwood floors give this home a warm and welcoming feeling throughout. 126 Riverside is a well-run boutique co-op with an amazing roof deck complete with a shared grill offering unobstructed views of the Hudson River. Don't miss this chance to live right on Riverside Drive.